In this video, I'll show you how you can change your mouse DPI on Logitech G Hub. Now you should just download the Logitech G Hub, this one. And if the mouse doesn't appear, you just want to plug it out and then plug it back in on your PC, and then also try restarting your PC. After that, you just want to select your mouse, and in here you'll be able to see your DPI speeds. Now you can see I have different speeds, which is basically because I have a little button on my mouse to change between the speeds. But otherwise, if you only have one, that's fine as well. Then what you want to do is you just want to select it right here where you want the DPI to be. And I have mine at 1000 because that's what I like to use. But most people use either 400 or 800. So you can just drag this wherever you want the DPI to be, and that will change your DPI. Now it's really simple, and that's basically just how it works, guys. Now down here you have the report rate, and I suggest keeping this at 1000 just for the maximum. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.